In this video, let me walk you through on the way that you use Venmo for business. If you have a personal account and have been using a personal account of Venmo and you're now trying to use it for your business as well, let me show you the few things that you need to set up. Now, if you want to set up Venmo for your business, you'll need to switch your personal account to a business account. To do that, tap on the Me option, which is on the bottom right, and then head over to the Settings option on the top right. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option which says Create Business Profile. So you'll need to switch your personal account to a business account and enter in your business information. So just tap on this option. Now, before you begin, you may also see the screen which says which number do you use when filing your taxes. If you use your social security, just tap on the first option. If not, and if you use the Business EIN, just tap on the second option. Now, starting off, you'll need to name your business or add in the name of your business. So type in your business name on this first section and then add in a username. The username is going to be important so that your customers can send you payments through your username. Other than this, you can also add in a business photo and a cover picture as well, so that when people view your profile, they can easily know which business is this. So fill in this information and then tap on Next. In the next step, you'll need to add in a few other information for filing your tax, such as your legal name, your date of birth, your home address, or your social security or ITIN number. So based upon what you use, you can fill in this information and then tap on Next again. Lastly, it's going to ask you to add in your phone number and website as well. If you have a website, you can just tap on Yes and then tap on Next. But these information are optional. If you don't want them, you can just skip this process and then tap on Continue. Now, once you created your business profile, everything else is going to be the same. The only difference or the few features a business account on Venmo has is whenever you receive or whenever your business receives payment on your Venmo account, you're going to get charged 1.9% of the total payment plus 0.10, which is 10 cents for every transaction. So you're going to receive a fee. Apart from that, you'll have options such as split payments or transaction notes and receipt and records for your bookkeeping. So that's the way that you set up Venmo for your business. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.